This is a great application showing Precision Digital's new PD6928 flow rate totalizer paired up with an E&H ProMag Flowmeter. And this was brought to us by Devin Gates of MA Selman here in New England. This is for an industrial wastewater application where the customer is hooking up the 6928 to their ProMag Flowmeter in order to read total going through the line. The customer didn't know how to get total out of their E&H meter. What they did know how to get was this average flow, which they would then use some math on to try to estimate what their daily total was. Obviously, that's not going to give them a particularly accurate daily flow, so they were looking for a better way to do that. By connecting up this 6928 to the E&H flow meter, they're not only able to get a daily resettable accurate total, but they're able to put the display somewhere they can easily get to it in a beautiful display that shows them the flow rate with units, the total with units, and a red backlight on alarm. They also get a through front window button that allows them to push that capacitive touch button and reset their total every day after making a record of what it was. So now they've got a beautiful looking solution that's going to give them accurate daily total. And as you can see from these wider shots of the application, the E&H flow meter is in the background in a more difficult to get to location, with the PD6928 right up front where someone's going to be able to notice it, read it at a distance, and see when that backlight turns into an alarm state and it goes red, in case they did forget to reset the total that day. Going out a little wider, you can see that the PD6928's display is actually the only thing that you can read from any kind of a distance. And I'll note that that E&H flow meter display is positioned such that you wouldn't be able to read it even if it was large and bright because it's actually pointing up. So it's a great way to get a remote display mounted for your E&H flow meters to read the total, read the rate, be easy to use for the customers, as well as provide some additional features like that push button daily reset for total and that alarm state where the backlight can turn red to really draw some attention to that problem. Thanks.